Welcome back, friends. So we are going to fill electronic configuration till calcium and sequence of orbitals 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6 and 4s2 means total 20 electron will be filled like this way and in this sequence. We have filled electronic configuration till phosphorus. So now the turn will come for the sulfur. So sulfur means S. Electron 16 electron sulfur having. So we are writing neon, it means we have filled 10 electron. Again the same method. Now we have last fill electronic configuration was 1s2, 2s2, 2p, writing 1s2, 2s2, 2px2, 2py2, 2pz2 means we have write down 2p6 electronic configuration. Now turn will come for 3s2 and now we are writing 3s2 means it is 12, 3px2, 3py1 and 3pz1. Phosphorus having half fill electronic configuration, we have filled 3px1, 3py1, 3pz1. Now turn of x will come. So first electron will fill in x orbital. X having in phosphorus 1 electron was, now another electron will fill only in 2px2. So electronic structure will be 1s2, 2px2, 2py1 and 2pz1. Now for chlorine having 17 electron, so we are writing neon over here. It means we have filled 10 electron. Now remaining 7 electron. Now turn will come for 3py. So 3py will having 2 electron. So electronic configuration will be 3s2, 3px2, 3py2 and 3pz1. So total 7 electron we can clearly see over here. 2 plus 2 plus 2 6 plus 1 7. 10 plus 7 means it is 17. So 3s2, this is 3s2, 3px2, 3py2 and 3pz1. This is the electronic configuration of neon. Now turn will come for the argon. So argon means 18 electron. Ar means 18 electron. We have to fill 18 electron. So we are writing neon over here means we have filled 10 electron. So remaining 8 electron 3s2, 3px2, 3py2 and now 18 electron will be filled in 3pz, so it will become 3pz2. So 3s2, 3px2, 3py2, 3pz2 means it is 3p6. Can be written like this: 3s2 a 10 electron filled, 3s2, 3px2, 3py2 and 3pz2. This is the electronic configuration of neon. Clear? Now we are having another two elements that we have to fill, that is sodium and calcium. So now we have filled the electronic configuration till 3p6. This is the last 3p6. So turn will come for 4s2 means 4s will start and 19 electron required potassium. So we will fill till electronic configuration argon means if we are writing in bracket argon means we have filled 18 electron means we have filled electronic configuration till 3p6. Now one electron required, that is 4s1. Same method which we have used for sodium to argon. Now from argon to other element till argon we will write down the electronic configuration in place of writing argon. So we will write down argon, no need to write total electronic configuration till argon. Clear? So now we are writing electronic configuration of sodium. Again, sodium means potassium, it is K having total 19 electron. We have to fill 19 electron, but when we are writing argon in square bracket means we have filled 18 electron, means we have filled electronic configuration till 3p6. So if we are writing in bracket argon, then we have filled 18 electron. Now turn will come 4s. We require 1 electron, so it is 4s1, and this is the electronic configuration of potassium. No need to write 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6 like that. Very easy. Now calcium, last element of today's lecture, calcium 20 electron. We are writing Ar in square bracket means we have filled 18 electron, 2 electron required. S orbital will fill maximum 2 electrons, so it is 4s2. This is the 4s2 electrons. So we have completed electronic configuration till calcium. This is the base of chemistry. This will helpful to you to learn complicated topic of chemistry. In Gujarati, this is the Barakshari of chemistry. If you want to learn Gujarati, you must have knowledge of Barakshari and Kakka. This is the Barakshari. We have already learned Kakka, means we have learned 1 to 20 elements, and this is electronic configuration. Next lecture we will discuss that why atom is become positive, why atom is become negative, and what is the funda behind it. Very most important topic will start from next lecture. Again I am giving homework 2 times of today's lecture. If you haven't done yesterday's homework, then you can send me on my mobile number yesterday's homework and today's homework. Please continue with chemistry lecture. Enjoy chemistry lecture. All the best. Thank you very much.